Hey everyone, let's talk skincare vocabulary. First, let's talk about pimples. Pimples are red, swollen spots on your skin. These can also be called zits. I have a few zits right now. I have one here and I have some here. Technically, I have a breakout. A breakout is a collection of pimples or zits. Now, let's talk about the products that you can use on your skin. The first step in taking care of your skin is to cleanse or wash the skin with a cleanser. I have one here. The second step is to exfoliate, which is when you get rid of the dead skin cells that are left on your face. You can have a physical exfoliant, such as a scrub, or you can have a chemical exfoliant, such as salicylic acid. Another step in your skincare routine could be using a toner. I have one here. A toner helps to restore the pH balance in your skin. It's likely that after cleansing, your skin will be dry. For this reason, you need to moisturize or to restore moisture or wetness to your skin. One thing that you can use to do that is serum. There are many different kinds of serums. This is one example of a serum. It is a more liquid type product. Another product that you can use to restore moisture or moisturize your skin is a moisturizer, which is most often a cream type of product. After cleansing and moisturizing your skin, it's important to protect your skin. So it's important to use a sunscreen with at least 30 SPF. There are many products to use on your skin. Another one of the products that I like to use for fun occasionally is a face mask. This is a product that you put on your skin and leave on your skin, usually for 10 to 15 minutes. Another product that I really love is retinol. Retinol helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. In other words, it helps to get rid of the lines that are in your skin. So, what's your skincare routine? Do you cleanse? Do you tone? Do you moisturize? Do you use an SPF? Let us know in the comments below.